In this video, I'll be showing you how to check your WAEC GCE 2025 result using your own personal mobile phone. I mean WAEC external, the one you wrote without wearing school uniform. So the WAEC is usually around November, December. So I want to show you how to check your result using your own personal mobile phone right now. So the first thing to do is to go to your search engine. I'm referring to your Opera Mini, Chrome, Safari, or any search engine you have, any browser you have on your phone. So this is particularly Chrome. So when you go there, then go to this search engine. Then what are you going to search? You're going to search waecdirect.org. Now look at it, waecdirect.org. So you can see that this is the third one, this waecdirect.org portal. So click on this. Now when you click on this, then it brought out something like this. The first thing is going to pop up, which is WAEC Direct Online Result Checker. So click on it. So once you click on it, now this is the web page. Look at the web page is displaying. So let me zoom this. Now when this thing is loading, you're going to observe that it's going to pop up this notification. So the first thing to do is that allow this web page to load finish and let this notification load. So once it's finished loading, then you just click on close. So close this notification, then you're going to have something like this. So meaning that you need to be patient enough to ensure that you allow that notification page to close. So once it's closed, then okay, something like this. Let me recap again. Let me go back. You can see that we still have this WAEC Direct online result checker. So click on it. After clicking on it, then I have something like this. So you can see I waited for this notification to pop up. So then after that, let me zoom it for you to see clearly. So then close it. So after closing it, then I have this. So this is examination number, then examination year, result candidates, private candidate result, pin, serial number, and submit. So the first one is examination number. Examination number is always 10-digit number, which contains your center number and your seat number. So something like 4252021. So 4252021, that is 7-digit number. So that is the center number. And your own seat number, something like 009, and that makes it 10-digit number. Examination number, some people usually call it registration number as well. Still the same thing. So you can see this is 2025. You want to check for 2025, so just leave it like this. But if in case you want to check for that year, then these are other years, 2024, 2023, 2022. So going down till that will be 1980. As you can see, it's a 1980. But we here we are checking for 2025. So let's leave it in the first one. So let me go back to this place. So I have my 2025 year back. Then this particular aspect, which is the examination, we have private candidates results here. So let me click on it. So we have just two things here. This is private candidates result and school candidates result. Private candidate result is an external result. It means that you want to check external result. So which is the GCE. So please don't go and click on school candidate result. Ensure you click on private candidate result for the GCE. So let me click on it. Now the next one is PIN and serial number. PIN is usually around 13 to 12 or 14 digit number or so. So this PIN for students that registered WAEC GCE 2025, under your photo card, the photo card they give to you that comprises your picture, the subject you want to write, you sit for. That photo card is actually a paper that I usually take to the exam center every day. So below that paper, you're going to see PIN and serial number. So go there to copy the PIN there. The PIN is something like around them. Let me just say 4321567890902. So that's the PIN. I'm just guessing the PIN, but the PIN for each candidate is there in your below your photo card. You see the PIN there and the serial number. So the serial number like WRN, then you have the rest as number, something like 2025, then 76589. So the serial number is something like this. So after you have copied your PIN here and also your serial number here. So for those that have lost their photo card, whereby the free serial number and PIN was there, so you can get another one by just send a message to this WhatsApp number displaying on your screen here. So go to your WhatsApp, then send the WhatsApp message to this number here showing on your screen. Then tell me you want to get your result checker, which means your pin and your serial number. So you're going to get it at a very cheaper price. So after that, then you click on submit. So once you click on submit, your result is going to appear here, to display here. So after displaying, below the result, you will see a place whereby they will say print. So you're going to click on print, then it's going to convert the result to PDF document for you. Then you can now print it and download it in your file manager, then go and print it out as hard copy. So that's the simple procedure of how to check your WAEC GCE 2025 result, the one you wrote November, December. And if you want to join our virtual class for upcoming UTME 2026 tutorial, do well to still send a message to this WhatsApp number here that you want to join our class, tutorial class for both art, science and commercial students. Thank you so much. Bye.